Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are moving on. We've got issue 27 of the R2 build, and looks like we got some more electronics parts in here. That should be fun. A new toy to play with. Let's crack it open and let's see what we get. Alright, so here are the parts that we get with this issue. We've got a lens holder, a projector display screen and circuit board, and a projector cable. We're gonna also need 2 of these small black screws. So let's get those out. And let's get started. Alright, we're gonna want to handle this very carefully. Okay, now this projector screen here, it's got some protective plastic on both sides, okay? Don't touch either side of this, okay? You can use these tabs to pull off the plastic, and you want to hold it by the edges. So you can leave plastic on until we're ready here, but what it's going to want to do is slot right in here. Now notice that you've got the circuit board. You've got your processor chip here. It's going to be facing up, so when it folds back down, these power plugs here are going to be facing in towards the frame. Okay, but step 1 really is slotting this screen in place. So let's get this plastic off. Carefully. I don't seem to have a tab to get the plastic off on this one. Thankfully, I was able to grab it fairly easily. All right. And now remember, this part here is going to face towards the circuit board. So slot this in properly and very carefully. There we go, just like that. Okay, when you bring this down, these holes here should line up with your frame, and let's use those 2 black screws to screw it in place. All right, now the instructions say that we are to take the larger plug, but that's clearly not going to work, so they meant the smaller one, and it goes right in there. But before I do that, I'm pulling out the testing kit here. I'm going to throw this in place. Just like this. Hope. There we go. Let's see. Okay, well, we're not getting a response here. And to be fair, the instructions don't say anything about testing it, and there are 2 plugs here, so maybe this other one has to be plugged in as well before we can see a response. So I'll have to keep my fingers crossed on that, since there doesn't seem to be any way to really test this at the moment. Well, that is the end of stage 27. Not very much to this. I'm a little concerned because I can't test it. So this may work perfectly fine, but without being able to test it, I don't know. So I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. I'm going to hope for the best, and hopefully we will be able to test it soon. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.